Good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine. So, today it is our English period. We will study English subject. So, what we discussed yesterday in our English class, we have discussed on nature. We have discussed on nature. What is nature? What nature gives us? What we are giving to nature? No? These things we discussed on yesterday. We discussed about these things. No? We discussed, no? Yes. We discussed about these things only. So, World Nature Conservation Day. When we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day? 28th July. 28th of July every year we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day. Why we are conservation? Why we are using the word conservation? Because we have to conserve our nature. We have to conserve our nature for our future, for our betterment only. Now, if we will destroy the nature now itself, then what we will take in future? There will be nothing in the nature. So, for our use only, we are conserving the nature. So, today I will tell you a story. You all like story, no? I will tell you a story. There was a school. Okay. There was a school. Students were teaching there. Students were studying there. So, in one class, okay, like you all, many students are there, no? You can see many students are there. Teacher is standing here, no? Standing there. She is standing, no? Like that only. The teacher name is Mrs. Bura. The teacher name is Mrs. Bura. And see, many students are there, no? Many students are there. They are students of class 1. They are students of class 1. So, what teacher is discussing or what teacher is telling to students? She is telling students about nature. She is telling students about nature. As I told you yesterday, no? Like that only she is telling about nature. How to conserve nature, how to use nature, how we can save the nature. And parts of the nature. That things she is discussing with the class. And see how quietly students are listening, no? They are good, no? They are listening, no? They are quietly listening to teacher. So, Mrs. Buddha was the class teacher of class 1. She was the class teacher of class 1. So, on the occasion of Nature Conservation Day, Nature's Day, she had decided to have a competition between students, to have a drawing competition, poster making competition for students. So, what she did? She divided the students into groups. She is not able to create one group only, no? Because if 30 students are there, in one group 30 students are not allowed. So, she distributed the group. She distributed the groups in 5 groups. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. In 6 groups she divided. In each group 5 students are there. Understood? So, she divided the students for poster making. Okay. So, she divided the class. The whole class was sitting with their groups. Whole class was sitting with their groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, Group 5 and Group 6. See, you can see here, no? Every group is sitting with their group partners only, not with the whole class. No. If we are having a group competition, then what we do? We are sitting in a group, discussing with our group members. Then only we can do anything, no? So, here also students are sitting in their group and they are discussing. So, what we will do? What we will do today? No, how we will do? So, they are discussing things. Okay. So, in group 3, Neha, Aslam, Mary and Jasbir are in the group 3. Okay, they are in the group 3. Neha, who are there? Neha, Aslam, Mary and Jasbir. 4 of them, no? So they are in the group 3. They are also discussing what we will do, how we will do, how we will make poster, what poster we will make, what type of poster we will make, what things you will bring, what things I will bring. They are discussing, because when we are working in a group we have to discuss, no? See, I will bring this thing, you will bring this thing, then it will be helpful for everyone. It will be helpful for everyone, no? It will not be a burden for anyone, because if something I am taking, something you take, then it will be easy, no? So they are also discussing in their group that what they shall to bring. So what they did, they discussed and discussed. So they discussed among themselves that what things you will bring, what things Neha will bring, what things Aslam will bring, what things Mary will bring, and what things Jasbir will bring. They decided. They sit and they decided. And what was their topic? Their topic was we love nature. Their topic was we love nature. So they are planning. That what type of picture we will make. What type of picture we will make? We will make mountains, rivers. These are also parts of nature, no? So they are thinking. Friend is giving another suggestion. He is giving another suggestion. No, many 4 of them are there. So they are giving different suggestion. So every suggestions they are listening and they are discussing. So they are discuss about which topic was the same, we love nature, but what drawing should we put, how to show your love. So they sit and they think about that only. So how to make the poster on we love nature? That will be very pretty, no? Because if you are in a competition, you have to make a better, not good, better, best poster. Best thing you have to make. So for that only they all are discussing, sitting and discussing about the topic, that what should we draw for the good marks, if we will get good marks, then we can win the competition. So they discussed and what they think, they should make a particular things. So all students started to make poster. All were thought and they were starting the poster making. They sat only and they started the poster making. How to make. No, they started that we will make like this, we will make like. So now they divided themselves. So what things they have to bring? Neha has paints and brushes. She is allotted that she will bring paint and brushes. So what she is supposed to bring? She is supposed to bring the paint and brushes. What we do with paint and brushes? We do the painting with brush only. We take the brush in our hand, we put that brush in the color and then with the chart paper. No, we use, no? She is what color she was having? She was having, see, can you see what color she is having? She is having green color, yellow color, pink color, red color, blue color. Neha is having so many colors she is having, no? And paintbrush also. She is having paintbrush also. So she is supposed to bring brushes and paint. She is supposed to bring brushes and paint. So she bought paint and brushes. For the competition. She bought the paint and brushes. She will bring paint and brushes for coloring. After sketching only she can color? Yes, after sketching only she can color. Now, Jasbir has pencil and eraser. He bought pencil and eraser. This is the main thing, no? Without pencil and eraser, he can't make poster. The poster will not be made if he will not bring pencil and eraser. Then the poster will not be made, because it is the basic thing. It is the basic thing. So Jasbir has allowed to bring pencil and eraser for drawing. For drawing. He will draw only, no? He will only draw, because he has pencil and eraser. So first of all he will draw. He will draw. Where he will draw? He will draw with pencil and eraser on the chart paper. On the chart paper. Let us see who will bring chart paper. Okay, let us see. So what he is having? He is having which color pencil? He is having purple color pencil. See, and red color bag he is having. Aslam has crayons. See, he is doing coloring. No, he is coloring. No, he is having crayons. What we do with crayons? We color. No, we color with crayons. What we do? We color our picture. We color our picture. Paint brushes is water paint. Okay, paint brushes is water paint. But what you use in your art class, fine art class, what you use? You use, no, crayons, color. Many colors are there, no, many types of colors. Crayons are there, sketch pens are there, watercolor are there. So in watercolor what we use? We use brush. We use brush. In crayons, see, crayons is like pencil, like, no, it is like pencil. See how Aslam is using? No, he is using, no, crayons. So he also bought the color. Which type of color he bought? He bought crayons. He bought crayons for coloring also. So what we heard, that pencil is there, eraser is there, okay, paint is there, brushes is there, and crayons are also there. So now what is the time for now? For the chart paper. For the chart paper. So he bought 2. How many crayons he has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crayons he has. How many crayons he has? 4 crayons he has. Now what is left over? Chart paper. The main thing is left over. Chart paper. Who bought chart paper? Mary bought chart paper. Who bought chart paper? Mary bought chart paper. What she will do with chart paper? She will draw the picture. She will draw the picture. After picture, what she will do? She will color that picture with crayons, and after that with paint and brushes. So chart paper is the main thing. Now everything is there, no? Everything is there. So now see what they will do. So let us see what they will do. What they do? They sat together again. They sat together. They showed see, I bought this, and I bought this. What Neha is telling? Neha telling that I bought paint and brushes. Jasbir, what Jasbir bought? Pencil and eraser. And Aslam has crayons. Aslam has crayons. And Mary has chart paper. So they are discussing now. So now what we will do? How we will start making our poster. How we will start making our poster. Mary puts the chart paper on the table. She puts the chart paper on the table. Because in chart paper only, no, she can draw. So she puts on the chart paper on the table, because this is the most important thing in the poster making. She puts the chart paper on the desk. She put the chart paper on the desk and start making the poster. So she was having only chart paper. The main she was things she was having, no? Yes, she was having the main thing. So what she did, she start making putting the chart paper there, and after that what happened? Aslam draws with crayons. He's not using pencil. He's drawing with crayons only. He told, no, I will not draw with pencil. I will draw with my crayons only. I will draw with the crayons. When you also see colors, crayons, what you do, you are not waiting for pencil. You just start drawing with colors only. You just start drawing with colors because you love colors, no? Children love colors. They all like colorful colors, no? This is colorful. So, they love to draw with crayons only. So, now, who is writing with pencil? Who is drawing with pencil? Aslam. Who is drawing with pencil? Aslam. Aslam draws with crayons. Now who is writing with pencil? Jasbir is writing with pencil. What he is writing? He is writing important points. After drawing also, no? There is important things, no? So he is drawing important things he is drawing. So after that, what he is doing to do? Aslam draw with crayons. So now what Jasbir is doing? Jasbir is giving the final touch by the pencil only. By pencil only he is giving the final touch of the poster. He is giving the final touch of the poster. So he start drawing with pencil only. See, he start drawing with pencil. Now he draws with pencil. Now 4 of them had made the poster. The 4 of them had made the poster. Now they show it to ma'am. They show it to teacher. When you also finished your work, you also finish your classwork, what you do? As soon as possible, in hurry, what you do? As soon as possible you run to teacher and show your work, that ma'am, I have done this. So like that only they are also showing to their teacher that ma'am, I have done, we have done, our group have done. So they have done the poster. Now they are giving the poster to whom they will give now? Whom they will submit after finishing your classwork? Whom you are submitting your copies? You are submitting to ma'am, no? Monitor is collecting, that is another thing. But whom you are giving your copy? Whom you are giving your note copy? To ma'am. Whom you are giving? To ma'am you are giving, no? Then ma'am will correct that, no? Ma'am will correct that. Ma'am will see whose is best, what you have written wrong. So like that only Mrs. Bura also took the posters. So now what she is doing? Now again she is discussing to the class. She will discuss, no, what you have written in each group. She will ask, no, that what you have written, who was making naughtiness, who was doing betterly. So you have to tell, no? Teacher asks, no, after giving you classwork also and after checking your classwork or class test, she asks, no, who cheated? Tell me who cheated. You cheated. No, your answers were same, so you cheated. So like that only Mrs. Bura is asking that who cheated another's poster. Do you, like that she is asking every student. She is discussing that what things you can add, what things you you can draw in that, no, that will be more effective for your poster. So she is discussing before giving result. We all used to discuss, no, we all used to discuss the things that what is given, how was your competition. She is asking the experiences of each and every student, that how was their competition, it was hard or easy, like that she was asking. No, now she took the best poster, she took the best poster of the class, of the competition, and she put that poster on the blackboard. She put that poster on the blackboard. So what teacher do? She chooses the best, she chooses the best, because that will motivate you, that will motivate you to do good, to do good. The most see, if you have given, if your teacher has given you see any homework or any fine arts or anything, so what she will, whom she is giving very good, she is giving the best, no, the copy is cleanliness, full of neat and cleanliness work, no, she is giving to that person only, that student only. So like this only Mrs. Bura checked each and every student's chart paper, each and every student, each and every group chart paper, and among that only she choose the best, according to which, according on the basis of their neatness, their cleanliness, their tidiness of their project. Okay, according to that only she selected the best poster for that. So she selected the poster of Mary, Aslam, Jasbir and Neha poster. Whose poster she selected? Neha, Aslam, Jasbir and Mary. Okay, she selected their poster. She liked their poster because of their neatness and cleanliness. So the children were very happy. They think that, oh, really our hard work has been in the result. So when you are doing a thing, hard work you are doing, okay, you are making the project very effortly, you are making, no, with much effort you are making, you are doing very seriously, and you get good marks for that, then what will happen? You are so happy, no, for that, you are so happy that you are feeling that, oh yes, I did that homework, no, I did that hard work for, so it is my result for my hard work, this is the pay of my hard work. If we pay hard work, then only we have good result, no. So we should do with hard work, everything we should do. Thank you.